Okay. After many miles, we are getting closer to the Pack Saddle Bridge. We will read about it afterwards. It looks like a really good place to turn around afterwards too. So, Pack Saddle Bridge, established in 1870. Wow, there we go. And this is definitely a different style than the last bridge.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll read about it. Just take the time.
It's a bit snug.
It is snug, like a bug in a rug. Something else going over here, I'm not sure. Okay, back through the Bridge of Doom.
It's not the Bridge of Doom.
The Doom Bridge.
Pack Saddle.
And we're going to park right after this and we'll get out and walk around. Okay, good. Here she is. Let's see if there is a plaque. There's a cement bed here. Nice stonework under the bridge still. No cement. Looks like a good place to do some trout fishing. There's a private property on a couple of these sides, probably some cabins. Let's see if there's anything here. There is. Okay, cool. Oh my God, it's all ice. There you go. Somerset County Bridge number 26. It is all ice. That sucks. I guess the bad position for the plaque, but there you go. It was heavily damaged. It was fixed and remodeled. You could say that. You could see that through there. I guess it was refurbished or rehabilitated or rebuilt in 1998. So I guess what was basically going on is in the Somerset County there was a kind of a renaissance or resurgence of people caring about these bridges and remodeling them. So this is bridge number 26 of the Pennsylvania. Okay, I gotta get going. See ya. Bye-bye.